As much of the automotive world races toward full electrification, Mazda is taking a different and deeply calculated path. Instead of abandoning gasoline engines, the Japanese automaker is refining them to a level many engineers once believed was no longer possible. For 2026 and 2027, Mazda is preparing one of the most ambitious combustion programs in modern automotive history. The introduction of the Skyactiv Z engine, a next-generation power plant designed around the concept of ideal combustion. This is not a mild update. It is a fundamental rethink of how gasoline engines burn fuel, how hybrids integrate with internal combustion, and how driving engagement can survive in a world increasingly shaped by emission regulations. Here's a deep expert breakdown of what Mazda is building and why it matters. The revolutionary Skyactiv Z engine 2027. The Skyactiv Z engine represents the next chapter after Skyactiv G and Skyactiv X. Mazda engineers describe it as the pursuit of Lambda 1 combustion, a precise air-fuel mixture L=1 that maximizes efficiency while minimizing emissions. Ideal combustion, the Lambda 1 strategy. In simple terms, L=1 means the engine runs at the chemically perfect ratio of air to fuel. Most gasoline engines fluctuate above or below this ideal mixture depending on load and driving conditions. That variability reduces efficiency and increases emissions. Mazda's Skyactiv Z aims to maintain near-perfect combustion across a broader range of engine speeds and loads. Achieving this consistently is extremely difficult. It requires ultra-precise fuel injection timing, advanced combustion chamber design, improved airflow management, sophisticated engine control software. According to combustion experts, maintaining L=1 under real-world driving conditions dramatically reduces NOx emissions and particulate output while improving thermal efficiency. In other words, cleaner exhaust without sacrificing power. This is how Mazda plans to meet strict Euro 7 and LEV4 standards without relying exclusively on battery power. SPCCI technology, gasoline meets diesel. Skyactiv Z builds on Mazda's spark-controlled compression ignition SPCCI system first introduced in Skyactiv X engines. SPCCI blends two combustion concepts: traditional spark ignition like most gasoline engines, compression ignition like diesel engines. Here's how it works. 1. The engine compresses a lean air-fuel mixture. 2. A spark plug initiates a controlled mini-explosion. 3. That pressure spike triggers full compression ignition across the chamber. The result is diesel-like efficiency and torque, but with gasoline smoothness and higher rev capability. Automotive engineers often describe SPCCI as one of the most technically sophisticated combustion systems currently in production. It allows extremely lean mixtures while maintaining stable ignition, something conventional gasoline engines struggle to achieve. Skyactiv Z refines this concept further, expanding its operating window and improving responsiveness. Hybrid integration built in, not bolted on. One debut in the next-generation Mazda CX-5 2027. The first production vehicle expected to receive the Skyactiv Z engine is the next-generation Mazda CX-5. The redesigned CX-5 is anticipated to arrive in late 2026 as a 2027 model year vehicle. This SUV is Mazda's global bestseller, making it the ideal launch platform for a transformative powertrain. Industry analysts see this as a strategic move. Launching new combustion technology in a high-volume crossover ensures maximum real-world data collection, faster return on R&D investment, broad consumer exposure. Following the CX-5, Skyactiv Z technology is expected to expand across other Mazda models. 2026 model year highlights the transition phase. While Skyactiv Z headlines 2027, 2026 models focus on refining existing powertrains. 2026 Mazda CX-5 third generation. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 launches in spring 2026 with a refined 2.5L Skyactiv G engine before the hybrid variant arrives. Improvements are expected in friction reduction, combustion stability, NVH, noise, vibration, harshness, transmission calibration. Experts believe Mazda is using 2026 as a bridge year, strengthening its current lineup while preparing consumers for the more advanced hybridized Skyactiv Z system. 2026 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 hybrid pairs a 2.5L four-cylinder engine with electric motors, producing roughly 219 horsepower and delivering around 38 miles per gallon combined. For many buyers, this model represents Mazda's first meaningful step toward electrified efficiency without sacrificing the brand's sporty driving feel. Engineers point out that balancing off-road capability, efficiency, and responsive handling in a hybrid crossover is not simple. Mazda's chassis tuning expertise plays a major role here. The Rotary engine returns as a range extender. Mazda's iconic Rotary engine is also evolving. Instead of using it as a high-revving sports car engine, Mazda is adapting the Rotary as a compact range extender for electric vehicles. The Rotary engine's advantages in this role include compact size, smooth operation, lightweight design, ability to run at consistent RPM for efficiency. In a range extender configuration, the Rotary does not directly drive the wheels. Instead, it generates electricity to recharge the battery when needed. Experts say this setup solves one of the Rotary's historic weaknesses, poor fuel economy under variable loads, by keeping it operating in a narrow, optimized efficiency band. This approach allows Mazda to preserve its engineering heritage while meeting modern environmental demands, meeting Euro 7 and LEV4 standards. Upcoming Euro 7 and LEV4 regulations dramatically tighten emission limits, particularly in cold starts and real-world driving conditions. Automotive compliance specialists note that many manufacturers are choosing to discontinue certain internal combustion engines because redesigning them to meet these standards is too costly. Mazda is taking the opposite approach. Skyactiv Z's precise combustion control, cleaner exhaust profile, hybrid integration, advanced after-treatment systems are all engineered specifically to satisfy these future regulations. In practical terms, Mazda believes internal combustion can survive, but only if perfected, defying industry trends. The broader industry narrative suggests internal combustion is nearing its end. Major automakers are committing billions to EV platforms. Mazda's strategy is more nuanced. Instead of going all in on full electrification immediately, Mazda is investing in highly efficient gasoline engines, strong hybrid systems, select EV offerings, flexible platform engineering. Industry analysts describe this as a multi-solution pathway. It spreads risk across technologies rather than betting entirely on battery supply chains and charging infrastructure development. For smaller automakers, this measured approach may prove financially smarter.